Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo has been launched in India, Samsung announced in an emailed statement on Wednesday. Highlights of the smartphone include a dual rear camera setup, Android Oreo, app pair feature, and Bixby Home. It will be available from retail stores from Thursday, April 12th. The Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo price in India has been set at Rs 16,990, and it will be available in black and gold color variants. The dual SIM, micro, Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo runs Android Oreo. It sports a 5.5-inch HD, 720x1280 pixels, Super AMOLED display. The smartphone is powered by an Exynos 7 series octa-core processor clocked at 1.6 GHz coupled with 4 GB of RAM. In terms of optics, the Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo comes with a dual rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel sensor and a 5-megapixel sensor, with f/1.9 aperture, flash, and autofocus. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera with an f/1.9 aperture and LED flash. The main camera is capable of recording Full HD video, 1080x1920 pixels, at 30 frames per second. The company is also touting the presence of face unlock, selfie focus, and beauty mode features. The smartphone is said to come with 32 GB of inbuilt storage expandable via microSD card, up to 256 GB. Connectivity options on the Galaxy J7 Duo include 4G VoLTE, 802.11a/b/g/n/AC, dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth V4.2, GPS, and GLONASS. The handset is equipped with an accelerometer, a fingerprint sensor, on the home button, and a proximity sensor. It is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. In terms of dimensions, the Galaxy J7 Duo measures 153.5 x 77.2 x 8.2 mm and weighs 174 grams. With Galaxy J7 Duo, we are attempting to drive next-level innovation in the J series that rules the hearts of Indian consumers. The introduction of dual camera in Galaxy J shows that we listen to our consumers and bring meaningful innovations that help enhance their lives.